Okay, again, this is Algebraic Reasonings or Math Models, Review 6-2. This is for 14 and 15, numbers 14 and 15. So, again, we're going to use the same ones for the C of x and D of x that we created earlier. So, for this one, R of x equals your C, which is 3x squared plus 30x plus 7 times your D of x, which in this case is x to the third power plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 8. Okay, I'm going to test your abilities here. Again, I would always put the larger one on top. It just always seems easier to me. Give myself plenty of room. So that's x to the third power plus 6x squared. Actually, I don't need that much room. Go down here. That's good. X to the third power plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 8. I'm going to put the smaller one on bottom. That's 3x squared plus 30x. I forgot my x over there again. Plus 7. All right, let's go write that in real quick before I forget. X. Okay. And this, when we multiply it, operates just like the last one. Let's do that in green. We're going to multiply the first one, this time by all 4. Then we're going to multiply the next one by all 4. Then we're going to multiply the next one by all 4. And then we're going to combine our terms. So, without further ado, 7 times 8. Do the first one. 7 times 8 is 56, right? Yeah, 56. I'm losing my mind. It is 56. 7 times 12 is 84. So 84x. 7 times 6 is 42, so that's 42x squared. 7 times x cubed is 7x cubed. Alright, then we'll do the 30. 3 times x is 18, so 30 times 8, or 3 times 8 is 24. So 30 times 8 is positive 240x. 30 times 12 is something freakishly huge. 3 times 12 is 36. Actually, it's not that big. 3 times 12 is 36, so that's 360 plus 360x squared. You start writing a little bit bigger. And then 30 times 6, 3 times 6 is 18, so that's 180x cubed. And then 30x times x cubed is 30x to the 4th. Alright, last one. We'll do the 3x squared times all 4 of them. Oops. 3 times 8 is 24, so that is 24x squared. 3 times 12 is 36, so that's 36x to the 3rd. 3 times 6 is 18, so that's 18x to the 4th, because x squared times x squared is x to the 4th. 3x squared times x to the 3rd power is 3x to the 5th. So, now we combine and just add straight down all the way, because you've lined up your variables, your like terms. So I have 3x to the 5ths. Write that a little cleaner. 3x to the 5th. 30 plus 18 is 48, so that's 48x to the 4th. 180 plus 36, 8, 9, 10, 11, so that's 216 plus 7 is 223 x to the 3rd. I'm just going to do the calculator. I don't feel like doing that in my head. I'm tired. Clear. We got 42 plus 360 plus 24 equals 426. So plus 426 x squared. 84 plus 240 is 324 x, and then we got a 56. So when we multiply those together, R of x equals all of that. Okay? Number 15. Last one on this one, and then we got one more. The last one on the page is easy. So this one's d of x times e of x. I'm going to forgo writing it out like this right there, and just go for the throat. E of x times d of x. Write the bigger one on top. E of x is negative 2x to the third plus 18x squared minus 54x plus 5. D of x is x to the third plus 6x squared plus 12x plus 8. So what we do is we do the same thing as before. Start with the first one, multiply it by all 4. Then do the next one, multiply it by all 4. Then do the next one, multiply it by all 4. Then do the last one, multiply it by all 4. And then combine your terms. So, here we go. Strap in your seatbelt. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 50, negative 54. 8 times negative 54. No. 8 times 54 is 432. So that's negative 432x. 8 times 18. 8 times 18. I really don't feel like doing this in my head. 144. Plus 144x squared. And 8 times negative 2, well, that's negative 18x to the third power. Alright, to the next one. 12 times 5 is 60, so that's 60x. 12 times 54 is something huge. 54 is 648. 648x squared. And actually it's negative, because 12 times negative 54 is negative 648. Thank you. 12 times 18 is 200 something, 216. So it's positive 216 x to the third. And then 12 times negative 2 is negative 24 x to the fourth. Alright, let's do the 6x squared by all 4 of them. 6 times 5 is 30, so that is positive 30x squared. 6 times negative 54, 6 times negative 54 is negative 324. Negative 324 x cubed. 6 times 18 is probably 90 something. No, it's 108. So it's plus 108 x to the fourth. And 6 times negative 2 is negative 12 x to the fifth. Alright, last one, this x to the third over here. Where really we don't have to change the numbers, we just have to change the exponents. 5 times x to the third is 5x to the third. 5 times 54x is negative 54x to the fourth. X to the third times 18x squared is 18x to the fifth. So plus 18x to the fifth. And x to the third times negative 2x to the third is negative 2x to the sixth power. And if you're still with me, that's a positive right there. We just need to combine all of our like terms. Add straight down. So we've got, for all this, w of x equals negative 2x to the sixth. 18 minus 12 is 6, plus 6x to the fifth. And then I'm going to break up my calculator. Negative 24 plus 108 minus 54 equals 30 plus 30x to the fourth. The next one, negative 18 plus 216. Where am I at? Minus 324 plus 5 is negative 121x to the third powers. 144 minus 648 plus 30 is negative 474x squared. 432 plus 60, I'm pretty sure. Oh, no, it's not that. Negative 432 plus 60. I was about to go the wrong way. Negative 372x plus 40. That is the product of d of x and e of x.